We're going to hear about all the good things that are in this budget, and you just said that this budget is good for all the people of New Jersey. This budget is not good for all the people of New Jersey. First of all, as our revenues dropped by $2 billion, the legislative add-ons went up by $1 billion. That's a $2.7 billion structural deficit. But I'm going to speak about why this is not a responsible budget. Let's just take a look at our legislative add-ons. It's great to have ballparks. It's great to have bike paths. But what happens when people get hurt at these places? What happens when you end up in the one public hospital that's our trauma center? What happens when your kids need stitches and they have to stand in the hallway at University Hospital with somebody holding a flashlight so they can be stitched up? What about these seniors we purport to care about? I queried the trauma surgeons at University Hospital. Number one or two on their list of what happens are falls. Who falls, I asked? It's the seniors. And where are they being treated? They're being treated in a hallway with inadequate space, inadequate dignity, and shame on us. What about our law enforcement officers? I can't even count the number of law enforcement officers who have been hurt and have gone to University Hospital because that's where they're going to get the best care. Do we not care about our law enforcement officers, that they're in a trauma bay where they don't even have room for the surgeons and the nurses and the staff? I have spoken about this for months, and everybody acknowledges, they saw my op-ed. This is a disgrace that we have simply given $60 million to University Hospital. We have this add-on list. We give $5 million more to Trenton Thunder. Hey, I'm a baseball fan, but I'm more of a fan of the people of New Jersey who deserve better. We say that this budget reflects our values. Well, it doesn't reflect the values of those who need it the most, the people who live in northern New Jersey. Shame on us, not me, shame on all of the rest of us who didn't work on this to make sure that University Hospital, we have one public hospital in the state, one. That's it. Some states, city of Boston has multiples. We have one in the state. We should be doing a better job. I just can't even say enough how disappointed I am that University Hospital didn't get more money. Every one of you may end up there one day. Don't kid yourself, and you'll be glad you do because they have such great care. But they deserve the respect. The city of Newark deserves respect. If this hospital fails, Newark fails, or could fail. This is a shame on everybody who didn't advocate for university. I shouldn't be the only one in this chamber who's doing that. So I will not be voting for this budget. And next year, I'm sure that when I'm on the budget committee, we'll hear about that we didn't vote for X because it was in the budget. But you have to stand on principle here. So thank you, Mr. Speaker.